Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'll show you how to make the cilantro sauce that you saw in my last video with the tuna salad. This sauce is terrific with any kind of salad or any kind of meat, and it's perfect just over some pasta or rice. I hope you can give it a try. This one is really delicious. I really recommend it. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. We're going to start by placing the peppers in boiling water, and we're going to cook them for about 10 minutes or until they are nice and soft and well cooked. In the meantime, place the rest of the ingredients in the blender. So in the blender, we're going to add in the cilantro. It's a whole bunch of cilantro. It's about 2 cups, maybe a little more. And into the blender, we're going to also add in 1 avocado, 1 garlic clove, also add in the mayonnaise, the mustard, and the sour cream. Don't forget to also add in the vinegar, then season this with salt and pepper to taste. And this is how the peppers look like when they are ready. They are tender and they change in color. They are greener and more opaque. Now they are ready. Now we're going to place them in the blender with the rest of the ingredients. And then into the blender we will also add in some water. I'm going to start by adding only half a cup of water, and then later, if I think it's necessary, I'm going to add a little more. But for now, I'm going to only add half a cup of water. So now we're going to blend this on high speed until everything is well combined and well blended into a very soft sauce. Once the sauce is ready, this is how it looks. Taste the flavor, add more salt and pepper if needed, and you can also add more water if you think it's necessary. And that's about it. Once you're happy with the flavor and consistency of the sauce is ready. This is how it looks. And like I said, I really recommend this one. It goes perfect with everything. It's so delicious. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to visit my blog to print out the recipe. And also don't forget to check out my Facebook and my Instagram. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.